In this video, we'll look at how to edit your homepage within the Pequot Lakes Moodle site. Everyone starts out with a default homepage as you see it here, but teachers have the ability to customize this homepage to either add or subtract different blocks being these areas of information, and while you can always minimize them using the little minimize button here, if they're in your way, you can also change the layout if you so choose. So to do that, I'm going to hit customize this page, and what this does is now for each one of these you'll notice that there's extra little options. Specifically here with the cross arrows, this is your drag and drop, so you can move things around. So for instance, if I felt that my messages was important enough that I needed it somewhere else on the screen, I can move it up here and move things around. I kind of like it where it was, so I'm going to put it back over here on the side. You can also, if you slide down here at the bottom, you can also add a block. So if I click on add, I'll see my options. There are a couple of other things in here that you might like. So HTML, if you wanted to bring in a specific gadget such as a feed from another blog, you wanted to embed something from another spot on the web, you could use that. Navigation, with navigation you don't necessarily need that because you already have the My Classes up here, and that will cover pretty much everything you need between My Classes and My Dashboard, but it's there. And then finally, My Private Files. These would be files that you've uploaded to the Moodle server itself. If you click on that, it will take a second and then it'll drop the block in at the lowest spot. So these are files that I currently have in my folder for My Private Files. So clicking on those, of course, you can then go in and manage them by putting them into folders, organizing them, that sort of thing. So this might be a useful item. If I don't want that anymore, I click on the little gear, and then I click delete. Ask me if I'm sure. Yes, I am. Okay, and now I'm back. You can also select over here the number of courses that you want to display. For some teachers who have multiples, because in the high school you teach in the high school, maybe you teach in the middle school as well, you might have a ton of courses, maybe you don't want to show all of them, you can also adjust that. Beyond that, that's pretty much all your options for customizing the home page. Once you're done, you click stop. You'll notice that the gear and the other options items disappear, and now you're back to your regular home page locked in. Once again, students do not have the ability to do this, only teachers, and is meant to kind of have the ability to move things around and make things work better for you.